To learn how to ride a waveboard, first put on a helmet and some protective padding in case you fall. Find a flat, paved surface you can practice on away from cars and pedestrians, like an empty parking lot or driveway. Place your waveboard on the ground and tilt it forward, so one of the edges on each panel is touching the ground. If you're regular-footed, you'll ride with your right foot on the back of the waveboard. If you're goofy-footed, you'll ride with your left foot on the back. If you're not sure, do whatever feels most comfortable. Place your back foot on the back panel of your waveboard and use your foot to lift the waveboard up so it's flat. Then, push off of the ground with your other foot and place that foot on the front panel of your waveboard. Try holding on to a wall while you practice mounting your waveboard until you get the hang of it. After you push off, wiggle your back foot side to side to gain speed and propel yourself forward. To turn, tilt your front foot in the direction you want to go in, while tilting your back foot in the opposite direction. The more you tilt your front and back feet, the sharper the turn will be. To stop wiggling your back foot and tilt both of your feet in the same direction. Once you've got the basics down, you can practice doing different tricks on your waveboard.